Hello cyclists! Today news from Lemmo, it's the Collab.Ride. A super interesting name, if you ask me, for a bicycle that's called Collab.Ride. Of course, Collab, that stands for collaboration, because this bicycle is indeed collaborating with you. Due to the fact that the core of this bicycle is called FEAVA, the fully electrified AI-centric vehicle architecture. That means the motor, the shifting system, the lights, the GPS tracking, etc. It's all connected, it's all becoming electrified and in real time is communicating with each other. Because here in this display is a little computer that is dealing with all the information coming and offering you a really new experience concerning cycling an e-bike or a regular bike. Because as you know, that is what Lemmo stands for. It stands for innovation, smartness, of course design, but also you buy two bikes in one. Because due to, and this is something that I still love about Lemmo, due to this dual hub mode, you can just switch from manual M to E electrified, and then you can start with a bicycle without the smart pack that is located here, so you have a manual bike, or you get the smart pack and have an e-bike. And of course, even if you have the smart pack, you can still cycle without. And I did it like always, testing the Lemmo bikes as a regular bike, a manual bike, and as an e-bike, and they think of everything. But before we go on a test ride, I want to explain to you a bit more detailed what new features Lemmo is offering. Another super cool feature is the built-in power meter. And a traditional power meter is most of the time only known by competitive cyclists and really serious athletes, because it's costing often couple of hundreds euros as an add-on component. But on the Collab.Ride, it is built in as a standard, and a power meter measures how you're pedaling. So the output is in watts in real time, and this data again feeds directly into the AI, and the motor can support you even more precisely and personally. And of course, you find all your data in the Lemmo app. So if you're really serious into training, this feature is definitely super, super cool. The riding modes that will be available in the future, and this is where it gets really interesting with the Collab.Ride. Lemmo introduces mode system that coordinates multiple hardware components like simultaneously, and that is so cool. Just to give you an example. Soon there will be the fitness mode, and this automatically adjusts the motor assistance and gear shifting, attention, to hit a specific calorie burn target. Yeah, so fitness, and you know how many calories are burned, or you can tell the mode how many calories you want to burn during your training. Then the cardio mode that keeps your heart rate within a target zone automatically, so you don't have to adjust it manually. And now the AI fusion mode. This will happen in the future. You communicate directly with the AI assistant and optimize your ride in real time by voice. So what we know when we talk to ChatGPT or Claude, you can do that with your bicycle. And if you really think about it, it's not really gimmicks, but it's a genuine platform vision that Lemmo is creating. And that is pretty cool. The Guardian mode. As you know, Lemmo was always super keen to give you peace of mind concerning the security of your bicycle, because you're investing a lot of money. And this Guardian mode bundles different layers of protection. There is the smart e-lock. You have, of course, GPS tracking. If you do have an iPhone, you can connect it to Apple Find My. You do have motion alerts that we know already. You have an external folding lock integration. I think this will be something with a fingerprint. And you will have an auto lock when you walk away from your bicycle. And you probably know that from modern automotive technology. So that is also something really innovative and cool. I think Lemmo is having in mind what their customers want. And due to the fact that the bike, in my opinion, is a very sportive urban bike, they're really going there, that you can track your health data, that you have training goals. So I think it's pretty cool. But if the bike is super cool, if you don't feel comfortable on the bike, it doesn't fit. So we're taking this beauty here on a test ride. The first thing you notice is the stronger motor. 54 Newton meters. There's an incline, I'm just cycling it up and that is so cool. The strong motor. And now what I did choose as one of the new cool features, the smart auto shifting system. So there are sensors that measure my cadence, how hard I push the pedal, the incline, and how my individual riding style. So this whole package gives me the support that I do need. And this is in combination with the e-shifting that is pretty damn cool, I must say. So the e-shifting, 10 gears from wheel top. So no cable, and the cool thing is you don't have to charge it because there's a little battery in the bike, so even when you don't choose the e-bike option, this is still working. So no cable, and you can choose, I did choose of course the automatic option, but of course you can, if you still prefer it, shift the gears up and down as you like, but I would definitely go for the automatic shifting because it is so cool. Really, this package is amazing. And Lemmo is offering something, this package. It's the only urban bike where you do have the e-shifting and this combination of the smartness. So really learning how you drive and you get the perfect riding experience. And that is really something cool and something new, especially in combination with a strong motor. And in my opinion, Lemmo is known for it and is offering very sportive urban bikes that are quite powerful. That is actually something that Lemmo was really aiming at, like electrifying every hardware component and then having this smartness, this innovation and this technology inside the bike, of course in combination with the Lemmo app, that offers you a really innovative and very cool riding experience. Of course, an e-bike needs very reliable brakes, and Lemmo choose again high quality components with 160 millimeters hydraulic disc brakes that work really well. Even when it was raining or still snowing, I enjoyed riding this bicycle. Also, what is really cool is that the motor reacts instantly. So the moment you push the pedal, you have the direct acceleration. That is very natural and very smooth. And when I push a bit harder on the pedal, it shifts, of course, and gives me exactly what I was asking for. A lot of power. Super important because you can ride this bicycle as a manual bike or as an e-bike, because there's in the dual mode hub you can switch, or you don't even have to buy the smart pack, so you can buy this Collab.Ride as a regular manual bike. And therefore, now that you do have 10 gears, the gears have to work for an e-bike as well as for a manual bike. So when you're just cruising, taking it a bit slow, there have to be enough variety of gears you can choose from. Also, if you want to get faster, because the motor helps you to go up to 25 kilometers an hour, but you can go even faster. Of course, also when you do choose to ride it as a manual bike. So the variety of the 10 gears is perfect for every situation, no matter if you choose to have the assistance by the motor or not. So super important in my opinion. The bicycle weighs only 15 kg, which is very lightweight if you keep in mind that there's the motor already in it. And if you choose the e-bike option, then you have the Smart Pack, which weighs 3 kg. So even if you have the whole package, the bike is still lightweight for an e-bike with 18 kilograms. This Smart Pack offers you a range up to 100 kilometers. That is what Lemmo says. I ended up by approximately 70-80 kilometers because I did choose a bit more pedal assistance and had some inclines. So always a bit individual how the range lasts, how heavy you are, how you cycle, do you have a lot of inclines, steeper hills. But I would say with a smart pack, you definitely, if you have a regular commute of, I would say between 7 and 10 kilometers, you can go for a whole week. And like we're used from Lemmo, the battery offers the option to be a power bank. So you do have an USB-C and USB-A port, so you can charge your phone, your laptop, or I could charge my camera, which is quite handy every now and then when I'm producing. Also, a little upgrade had the display that is integrated into the top tube because there is more information. For example, if I did choose the automated shifting, and of course what I'm used to, I see how the batteries are charged, in what mode of pedal assistance I'm in, and how fast I am. And something that did not change is you have the cockpit situation here with the two buttons on the left. I love the bell. And here on the right, you can still choose the different modes of pedal assistance. You have 3 in total, 1, 2, 3, or of course the 0, so you have 4. And by just pushing a single, you go up, and if you push twice quick, then you go down the different modes of pedal assistance. And you can choose between different models. This one here, of course, is a super interesting one with the wheel top gearing system, because you have the automatic shifting, which is super, super cool. You can choose the automated or not. And of course, you can also choose the belt drive version, but then you do have only a single speed, but the belt drive has also advantages, lasts up to 3 times longer than a regular chain. There is no oil, no grease. And my wish for Lemmo would be to have a belt drive version with gears, but I know probably due to the fact that you have the dual hub mode, probably not possible. The dual hub, as we know it, just by switching, you can choose between M, the manual bike, and E, the e-bike, and I love both. And the smart pack therefore is optional, but I definitely would always go for the motor version. I love the Lemmo app. It's really so easy to use, and as you can see, the e-shifting, you can connect it or disconnect it. I loved it connected, and there are more features to come. And here the GPS tracking, so you see where your bike as well as your smartphone, the smart pack is, not the smartphone. And in the future you can have a smart link lock, and you also have a telephone, your mobile phone as a key. So there are so many security features. I haven't connected my phone. And you can switch on and off the alarm, which is pretty cool and can scare people. And of course you can set on and off the lights. You have a navigation system, and if you put your phone onto the handlebars, then you can use a mobile phone to switch on and off the lights, ring the bell, and choose the different modes of pedal assistance. So the mobile phone can become the device to navigate through your bicycle, which is pretty cool. This bicycle is, in my opinion, highly competitive because it costs 2,700 euros with all the smartness, with all the features, and also the features that will come in the future. So you have to keep in mind, this is an evolution happening. A bicycle that is becoming smarter. It'll have AI features, and it can be a fantastic companion for you if you're really into serious cycling. So I think it's very cool, and that's probably just the beginning. There's so much more coming, and I will keep you posted. If you like this review, please leave us a thumbs up and subscribe.